Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Hey, welcome back in, everyone, to the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again for a look at weather, starting off with our photograph. This one is a sundog, actually a crystal halo, taken by Jerry Curry. And a very beautiful shot there. Again, nice colors. If you have a photograph you want to share with the rest of the audience, by all means, send it to me at MikeSchultz@KTBF11.com. Here's our numbers for this time of year. The normal high 13, normal low 12 below. Record high 41, that was in 2008. Record low 51 below in 1932. Sunrise and sunset works out to 9 hours and 9 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite picture. We were talking yesterday about the big storm coming up from the southwest. Well, it passed off to the southwest, to the south, I should say, but it's still pushing clouds back our direction, and some of these clouds have enough moisture to make it over the Alaska Range and give us some light snow, and that's what's happening right now. On the radar, you can see a little bit of it working its way toward the Fairbanks area. And elsewhere across the state today, we had showers over the southeastern sections of the state, partly cloudy to showery conditions around Kodiak Island. Up and down the west coast, fog around the Bethel area. Nice weather at Nome, not too bad at Barrow, and nice day at Fort Yukon. Clear skies, 6 degrees below zero. Lower 48 weather, lots to talk about tonight. Rain over the Pacific Northwest, more rain across the southern sections of the country, and storminess over the Gulf Coast states. The storm we were looking at yesterday over California is starting to work its way in today, and it brought snow as far south as Tucson, Arizona. It snowed out a golf tournament they were having there, and you can see a lot of snow moving across the Central Plains, looking for 18 inches of snow near Wichita, Kansas tonight. A lot of weather there. The major storm that's going to be happening is spreading snow to the north, ice, big problem over the Arklatex, and then severe weather down to the south across the Gulf Coast states, all because of the jet stream, once again, meandering, pulling a lot of cold air, and also clashing with that warm, humid air coming up from the south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Over the North Slope, we're looking at sunny but cold at Barrow and Nome. Snow showers expected at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at periods of light snow for both Fairbanks and Healy. Over southeast Alaska, once again, more mixed rain and snow for Juneau, and rain at Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, it looks like we're going to be looking at snow showers at Bethel, snow at Cold Bay, just cloudy skies for Kodiak, and over the south central regions, more snow for the Anchorage Bowl area, for Homer and Valdez. Time once again for our kids' weather, and this week we're talking with the kids from the Watershed School. Tonight, a young man with a question for me.
My name is Dylan, and I'm in Mr. Merrill's 4th grade class, and this is my question for the weatherman. If it can hail in the summer, how does it get cold enough for it to happen?
Well, again, what happens is the rain is falling, and all of a sudden gets lifted up way to the highest elevations of this thunderstorm that's going on. That happens to be very cold air. It freezes and becomes hail, and the many times it goes up and down determines how big the hail is going to be. Tomorrow night, a teacher's going to be here with a weather fact for us. We'll look forward to that. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looks like cloudy skies, periods of light snow developing, 18 degrees for the overnight low, 18 below, that is. Tomorrow's high, 5 degrees below zero, snow off and on, maybe a couple inches by the time it's all over tomorrow night. And the extended forecast, as you can see here, we're looking at some light snow continuing into Friday. Looks like the rest of the 5-day period will be mainly clear to partly cloudy skies each day. Overnight lows also not too uncomfortable. Once again in the teens below, and then also the warming up to about 10 degrees above by Monday. So all in all, not too bad. A little snow to put up with, but definitely temperatures considerably warmer than we have been having for the last few days.